it smells super fresh. It smells like a tea, and it's very good for hydration as well.
Yeah. These all of these are.
Hey guys, so hari ini HJ berada di Fresh Beauty Kitchen. It is the first in Asia, launched in Center Court KLCC. So today we have 5 stations, which is discover your favorite scents, rose floral bar, mask testing menu, sugar lip ritual, while kombucha testing. So we have 5 stations. So let's go. Hi, this is the first station for Ignite Fresh Scents. So we have here HJ pilih type of smell is floral, so it's fresh. Oh, this is called Rose Morning. It's very fresh. Okay, next stop, HJ berada di station. Stop and smell the rose. So as you can see, all the roses that are made up for a toner. So let's see and check it out. Jom.
So, do you guys know what is rose?
Yeah. Rose.
What is your own definition for rose?
Love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's known for beauty.
Okay.
And the function of rose is for hydrating and soothing. So now let me transfer you to Morocco to enjoy our rose diffusion color. So give me a hand, please. So you wipe it gently. So close your eyes. Smell it. How does it feel?
Yeah, like a fresh rose.
This all here is the fresh petal, rose petal from Morocco. It's all hand-baked, original fresh taste from the rose petal fragrance.
So it is good for the benefit.
It's for hydrating and soothing. So if you really love it, you can get more information behind the consultation area there.
Okay.
So I hope you love it.
Yeah, sure. Very, very love.
Okay, thank you.
Smell good,
I'm
guys.
so glad you love it.
Yeah.
So
The name is Vitamin NECTAR. And this one is like when your hand is very rough or your skin is very rough, so you can use this product.
Smell nice.
The one is inspired by the lemon, orange and clementine. So this one is the second one, which is the rose face mask. The rose face mask is inspired by the rose for hydration.
This is a rose face mask for hydration.
The lotus mask is for instant radiance. Another hand.
Oh. This is a lotus face mask. This is for instant radiance.
Lotus face mask.
It smells good and nice.
So the last one is the black tea. Yeah. The black tea is for firming, moisturize, and also can use for overnight.
This is the black tea kombucha face mask. It's for moisturize and you can use overnight. Wow, it smells good. It smells like tea. But as you try to
so you can clear your hand.
Okay, bye. Okay guys, this is the black tea cookies. It's very nice and it's all natural. Love fresh. Okay guys, this is the 4th station, which is serving up sugar. This is all about the lids. So you guys, if you want to find a good lid balm, so you can come to this station and taste it yourself. The texture, the moisture that you can get from Fresh Beauty.
First one is the sugar water drop.
this is to reduce the dullness on your lips, so it's always looking fresh. So it is like moisturize your lips instantly because it's a type of serum and it's easy to absorb. You can use it every day.
You can use after you apply your lipstick also. So later you will feel the minty like that. Is it?
Yeah. It has peppermint in it.
Yeah, peppermint.
As always, it's fresh.
It's contain SPF 15. So you can try any of the color here.
This is a kind of lip tint in the shape of balm. So we try. It's natural. Even though it has pigment in it, it's natural.
Yes.
It's a colorless lip balm. So HEYYY akan pakai lah.
You want this?
So most of it for fresh, it's more likely for hydration. So your lips akan jadi moisturized and lovely and kissable lips. Hey guys, so HEYYY dah pergi semua 4 station. So sekarang ni station yang kelima, which is a Kombucha cafe. So HEYYY akan try rasa macam mana rasa kombucha yang sebenar. Let's go. So today HEYYY dekat Fresh X Wild Kombucha. So today we have 3 type of tea, which is white tea kombucha, peach blossom, and lavender lemonade. So this is all the 3 tea. Alright, so HEYYY akan try minum white tea kombucha. Kita tengok rasa dia macam mana. Tapi bau dia macam cuka, macam vinegar. Sebab kombucha ni adalah salah satu teknik which is dia fermentedkan tea tu. Okay, HEYYY akan rasa Okay, rasa dia memang macam cuka tapi in a good way lah. So memang sedap. HEYYY suka sangat. Dia memang fresh. This is HEYYY minum lavender lemonade. So HEYYY akan rasa. It tastes better than this one. It has citrus in it and it's fresh. HEYYY akan rasa air yang ketiga, which is the peach blossom. It tastes okay, but I would say it's not so great. Tapi okay lah untuk air yang menggunakan teknik fermentation. It's okay. HEYYY suka and it's good for health. Hey guys, it's HEYYY here. So now HEYYY dah pergi ke semua station. So this is the last station, which is HEYYY akan mendapatkan my fresh skin check. So their beauty advisor will be advise me which one product that suit my concern. So they have a few range of products, starting from the rose and until the kombucha tea. So their beauty advisor will advise me which product that suit my skin. So let's check it out. So, basic step, you must have a soil fresh cleanser. Next, we go for the toner, which is a rose toner. Next is this essence, kombucha tea essence. Then you lock it down with this one, fresh rose sleeping mask. Okay guys, so hari ni kita dah habis dekat Fresh Beauty Kitchen bersama Ain. Okay guys, so jangan lupa guys, please watch, subscribe and like my video YouTube channel. And don't forget to share to everybody. Bye!